Haven't seen this in a long while. This is the exposed original beach on Dorp Beach. It's like peat and clays where all of the truncated borers and the angel wings live. And you can kind of see it's making that edge out there. And there's a piece of petrified wood that's been there for how long? Nobody knows long. And hollowed out. It's pretty low tide today. You don't see this exposed too frequently. Right down there. See the edge? Wow, the edge goes out that way. Interesting. See the edge where the water's breaking right there.